Hello and welcome to Math is Easy Step by Step. So I'd like to go over another question that you might see in your standardized assessment. If the equation of a line is equal to y equals 5x plus 5, find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the equation and plot each on the graph below. And graph the straight line below. So they will give you that question, and then you will also get a graph, as you can see here, with a y-axis, an x-axis, and some values on each of the x and the y-axis. So in the next couple videos, I'd like to go over the intricacies of a coordinate grid, some very important information that you need to know in order to answer this question. And then later on in other videos, I'll be going over some very intense knowledge that you need to know about linear equations, how to find the slope, how to find the y-intercept, how to use those to plot points, and some other really key factors that you need to know. Of course, answering this question as well. So stay with me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. I'll be answering this question in a continuation video. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to continue to come to you. Thank you.